Hello, today greetings. We are going to look at a very important, wonderful app under Steam Data. Like Steam Data, it helps in building of Steam applications. Also serves as an easy means to get data. It is built by Furin and funded by CAS. We are going to look there are some app that link under the Steam data. But we are going to look at first the Mention app. So how can we navigate to the Mention app? We type in Mention, we type in Mention, mentions dot steam data dot com, and we click on go. So as we click on go, the site will open. Now look at it. This is the site for mentions. It is an app under Steam Data, so you can see it. So what can we use this mentions Steam Data to do? Then we can use this to get them to see the people that mentions us in one or two posts. We can also use it to see those that use one or two of our posts as backlink. We can also use the mention Steam Data to search for keywords and also some phrases. So these are important, and that's what we can use mention Steam Data to do. So first, let's look at how can we get those that mention us. So to do that, we can now go and look at the bar. We have a search bar. So we look at, let's see those that mention me in post. I'll put my username. I will now click on search. So it will start searching immediately. You can see. Then look at let's see what really happens here. So this is a post. Don't just dream a big dream. So in this post, like I was mentioned somewhere, so it has to quickly show you where you are mentioned. Okay, so we can see it. Look at it. Look at, I was mentioned here. So that is why. So let's see another post. We have another post on corruption, a hindrance to national development. So it's like in the same post I was mentioned. That is why. Okay, look at it here again. So the work of also look at my 2017 achievement and failures. This is by Spamza. It's like I was mentioned somewhere in his post also. So sometimes, okay, so let's see. Okay, I was mentioned somewhere in his post. Wonderful. So you can see. So if you want to get your mention, you can easily use mention.steemdata.com. You know that in your Steemit, on a normal Steemit, there's no mention, but there are plugins for mentions. So if you don't want to use those plugins, you can also use mention.steemdata.com to get your to know people that mentions you in one or two posts in order to reciprocate accordingly. So what next? Next, let's look at how we can use. We say that it also searches for posts that contains keyword. So you can use it to find posts that contain some important keywords. Let's look at, maybe we are looking at some posts that contains token. So we come here and type in token and click on search. So as we click on search, it's searching. So you can see we have token. You can see it's now bringing out post that contains that keyword token. You can see this is about post token. You can start reading. This is tokenizing the economy, simple token. We have also coin versus token. We have also you can see where my token at, how to find Ethereum based on token own. So let's look at and let's search for another keyword. Maybe we are looking on how to open B3's account, do one thing or the other. So how can we, let's go back and have our space to input. So let's talk about uh, BitShare. Maybe we are looking for BitShare's post, maybe, and how to get how to move in, make transfers, and so on. We type in BitShare. We'll now start waiting for it to search for BitShare post. Okay, so you can see. Then it will open. What do we have? We see posts containing BitShare. This is why you should have a BitShare wallet, and if possible get some BitShare tokens. So through this post you will now know where you really are going to. So you can see another one. Let's see another post after this one. This is also about BitShare November start plot BitShare Twitter Snap. So it is all about the post it will bring out will be all about BitShares. So it is like a very beautiful search engine that works on important keywords. So that's that. Okay, so the last one we are going to look at is search for posts for backlinks. It's supposed to put a post ID, and immediately we put a post ID, then the search for the post that has backlinks will show. So what are we going to do? So we can search for posts that backlinks to some particular post. So we're supposed to know uh, those that backlinks by getting our post ID. Maybe let's open then Steemit and get one post on Steemit. Let's get one post ID on Steemit, then see what really happens, if there is a back link or not. So let's get one. Let's click on a post and then have it. Okay, so let's search through this post, see whether there's any backlink. So as we search what he said, we couldn't find a damn thing. So I believe there is none. So if there is some backlinks, it will show. So what is the work of this mention? The work of this mention are only three things, but they are very important and powerful to know those who mention you in a post. Also, you can use it to search for keywords that are very important and relevant to you. You can also use it for what? To detect what? Backlinks. So they are important. They are all about mentions. They are all about backlinks and all about keywords. I'll say, thank you so much for this wonderful moment. I love you.